you can see everything. Buongiorno and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about some Gymshark items. I've not done a recorded haul in a long time. I'm usually all about the makeup and then some workouts, but I've kind of been slacking on the workout and activewear clothing parts. But Gymshark came out with some stuff. I still have a huge Black Friday, like I bought a lot of stuff from Gymshark. But I did get their new Flawless knit collection. I love the like colors of this collection. Like this orange is doing it for me. Like I love oranges. But I do have some things to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about each item. But yeah, so first up we have this blue color, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. You have all this pretty knitting down the side, but I will say, like, knitting one is, it's fragile, and then it's kind of like if you were to compare it to, I think it's the Energy Seamless. Make sure I put it on here, but it's like the ones they originally came out with, and those are a lot more stiff. These definitely don't have the same fabric of those, which I like because that fabric I did not find comfortable. I have 2 pairs in that, and I don't really like it. And those aren't squat proof either. And as you can see from the footage, these are not squat proof. Like, not even 80% squat proof. Like, I'm a little bit like, the blue is not as bad as the orange. The orange is pretty bad. I get an extra small in all my Gymshark leggings, just because they do stretch out, especially in these. I heard that the material was super stretchy. I will say stretchy. It is really comfortable, like super comfortable, but it has no seam in like the crack part of it. You guys can kind of see it cheering out already. Or the front part of it, which is great in a way because there's no camel toe. I will say that. They got rid of the camel toe, but it's kind of like they're upping their prices. But at the same time, I'm like, can you know, the see-proof part, like the squat-proof part is more important to me than the camel toe part. I don't know if everyone feels that way. But I did want to compare it sizing-wise to, these are the Ombre Seamless. Just so you guys have a reference. And yeah, they're pretty much the exact same size. The ombre ones I've been wearing, and they stretch out a little bit, but I'm not upset about the sizing. The size is perfect. They're very, very stretchy, but I would say they're a little bit too stretchy. This is nice and rigid, so it gives you that nice tummy support, whereas this does not give you any tummy support, which is kind of, I need that right now. I am in my off season. And that's another reason why I still get extra smalls, because I'm like, I know in 6 months, like by the time I drop, you know, I start dropping, I'm just like, I need pants that are going to fit me, and I don't want to spend money on things that I'm not going to be able to wear. So I don't mind if they're tight for a little bit, but now you guys will see the orange part. I did roll up the top part because I was just like, I like crop tops to be a little bit cropped. I don't like a super long shirt, but at the same time, I don't like how Gymshark is kind of only coming out with high neck things. So I didn't like the high neck. And then the sports bra, you guys can see in the tank top, it has the cutouts in it. But the sports bra as well, like it has a lot of cutouts. And I'm someone who, I don't really gain weight through my legs that much, or my hips like a lot of women do. I'm someone who gains weight through my back. So cutouts for me are just a very uncomfortable situation. Like nobody wants back fat and wings and just splurging out of the, no, I don't feel comfortable in that. So I like crop tops, but I'm very specific about cutouts. I don't like those. They just don't look good on me. Gosh, and then yeah, overall I'm just kind of like, I like the top. I really like. I love the colors of these things. Super comfortable, but I would say I'm not able to wear these on either leg day, and I'm just kind of like, if you keep increasing your prices, like those are things you really need to think about. I'm very tired of watching Gymshark hauls where all the athletes are like, they're squat proof, and even if they try to be truthful, it's like, well, they're not exactly squat proof, and let me show you a side view. Like, but they're close, you know what I mean? I'm like, crack? If I can see a crack, that's bad. Like, the fabric shearing out, totally fine with, but if I can see, you know, everything, that's when I'm just like, no. But yeah, I do want to mention my sizing. I'm 5 feet tall, so there is a little bit of bunched area at the bottom. That is just my life. I don't, you know, yeah, that's just how it is. I love the details of these leggings, but you don't get that extra structure support, which I would recommend like the Vital Seamless for, or the Ombre Seamless. Those are kind of my favorites as far as Gymshark leggings go. But yeah, I was a little bit, I don't want to say disappointed because I still love the colors, but I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm a little bit like, I cannot do I don't want to have to think about what leggings I'm going to wear for what days. You know what I mean? As much as people are like, you can wear this on arm day. And I'm just like, I don't want to have to think about that. Like, I just want to grab my leggings and go. The other thing is, I am an underwear wearer in sportswear. I do not understand this high-end, like, I feel like a lot of the higher beauty guru people are like, you don't need to wear, you know, underwear and it's less laundry or it's, you know, blah, blah, blah. No. Like, to me, I'm just like, that is unsanitary. Like, moisture and sweat builds up. And I researched this and they were like, oh no. Like, a lot of people are, like, professionals are just like, that's a good way to get some type of infection. Like, you should not do that. Like, not to mention, if something ever happens where I get a hole in the back of my leggings, I would not like the whole world to see my actual behind, you know? My biscuits are for me. They're not, nope, or anything else. Like, that would be awful. Just, nope. Not to mention, I'm being honest, like, I lift like as heavy as I can lift, and I'm just like, what if I, you know, what if you pee a little bit? Like, you have no protection. Like, it just, no, like, it happens to people. I love Dana Lynn Bailey because she will just say it like it is. She's like, oh, I peed during that workout. Like, it's just, yeah, no, wear underwear. Do what you want. I wear underwear, so you can definitely see it in the footage. I am going to pick up some new seamless ones. I still haven't found ones, like, I've tried the Victoria's Secret ones, but I still don't feel like there's any where it's going to be completely where you can't see them, you know? So it's kind of up to you. I've just taken it to the point where I'm like, I wear underwear like a normal human being, so if you can see them, you can see them. That's fine. But I would not rate these as any of my new favorites. I am excited for the camo releasing. I don't know why I keep buying. I still love their styles, and I feel like they are advancing in their styles, but the quality still needs to be there. It can't just all be like, oh, you look pretty standing there. That's not functional. But yeah. So if you guys have any questions about sizing, let me know. The tank top is a little bit, I feel like it's not as stretchy as the pants as far as the fit. This is an extra small and it is fairly tight on me. But I think it will stretch out. It does feel like that fabric that's going to stretch. So I don't have any worries there. I don't like things on my neck. Even though the long sleeves were cute, I was just like, I hate that feeling. Like, I just want to pull it down. I'm never going to wear a turtleneck. It's just not me. But yeah, I'm going to stop blabbing. This is supposed to be just a quick review. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Hopefully I don't rewatch the footage and show you everything. But I did want to be honest about it. They're really cute. They're not necessarily functional. $54. I think the shirt was like $38. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other hauls you want to see. I did just order some stuff from Summer Rae. I did an Alpha Elite order, a Buff Bunny for their joggers. So if you guys want to see like a whole workout clothing haul, like, I'm in it. And let me know what you want to know. I think I covered every point here. I definitely would not recommend these to a lot of people, especially if you are... I'm someone like, yes, I've gained weight this year, and I purposely did that, and if you see cellulite below my ass cheek, like, I don't care. It will be gone when I want it to be gone. But I'm not really that type of person. But if you are someone who tends to get a little bit more insecure about stuff like that, know that these will show your cellulite, your dimples, like there's no coverage, and your muffin top is not controlled in these at all. And obviously, like, me going up a size would make that worse, so I definitely wouldn't size up thinking like, oh, that's going to fix the squat proof issue, because then they're just going to be too big. Like, they are very, very stretchy. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what kind of workouts you guys want to see, because I need to start filming those again. That's enough out of me. I'll see you guys in the next one.